What's going on, YouTube? This is Danny B, showing you my first pickup from repkicks.com. The first pair of sneakers I got are called the LeBron Prisms. I don't know if I can zoom. LeBron Prisms, pretty good. I mean, only thing I can say about them is this tag right here. It's supposed to be like a gray with the same color as this and the lettering. Other than that, it's a good shoe. Nobody's gonna notice. Your reps. Put your jeans over the tag. Next kicks I got from Rep Kicks, my first post, are the Jordan 11 Space Jams. They're okay. I don't know, I thought it could be a little better. The Space Jam's sole is a little clear. Has a little icy blue bottom to it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's icy blue, not clear. Transparent, as you can see. Yeah, Jordan is okay. I mean, he looks on drugs. He's kind of skinny. But overall, I should have got a perfect instead of the AAA. But, you know, they'll do. I'm going to put them on tonight when I walk out. Red Kicks. First post. The shipment took about 10 days to the United States. Yeah. Pretty good. Not too bad. Red Kicks. Shoebagonline.com. Red Kicks. My first post. Jordan 11s. Space Jams. LeBron 10 Prisms. There you go. Box still there. Give you a box. You see the box? It's flimsy. But who cares about the box? LeBron 10s. Jordan 11.